Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be tying the Jungle Cock Kate McLaren. It's got a green tail. It's a favourite of mine for loch leaving. So we'll get started. So in the vise I've got the Fario barbless black nickel size 12 hook. And the thread I'll be using is Unithread black and 8/0. So we'll run a bed of thread down the hook. I've already waxed the thread. Oops, got the point there. Sometimes it happens. Cut off the waist. And for the tail I've got about 16 strands of Glow Bright shade 12. It seems to be a good shade for loch leaving. This works really well, the shade 12 on a lot of flies. Just tie that in. And for the rib I'm using the small oval silver, so that's the size 12. I'll just take a wheel in for that. So we'll just tie that in back down the hook, just down the side, and lift your tail up, and we'll cut the tail just now. I quite like a shorter tail in this one, so I'll just a wee stub. Just get that for the next one. And for the body I'm using black sealsfur. So it's not a lot, just take a wee pinch and dab it on. And just bring this up the hook. And tidy up. And the hackle I'm using, I've got a black saddle hackle here. I was tying them earlier on, so I thought I'd video a fly. So just tie that in, but first, and 2 or 3 turns at the head. It all depends on yourself how bushy you want these. So 2 turns at the head and just bring it down the body, and you get your silver oval and catch it and just bring the rib up through the hackle, keeping it as even as you can. Pull everything back. Oops. Catch that away, it's just getting the road with my fingers there. Pull that off and cut off the waist. And for the head tackle I've got a red game hen cape from Lakeland. So we'll just tie that in the butt section. So we'll get the hackle pliers for this one. Just pulling it back 2 or 3 turns. Again, it's up to yourself. You can tie these sparse, you can tie them heavy. So one more, bring it up, catch across that way, and cut off the waist. Just to tidy up. And I've got 2 Jungle Cock splits here, so I'll just tie these in on the black bit. Hold tight. No, that's not right. Just go back. It's running down the way. And again. That's better. Oh. And pull that back and just tidy up. Just build a nice little black head. Hold tight and so what we've got to do now is whip finish. This is an old favourite of mine. Been using it for a long time, this one. So just get a wee bit of that's it. So a wee bit of varnish. So that's it guys, that's a Jungle Cock Kate McLaren with the green tail. Works very well on Lochleven, but I dare say it worked well in most places. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.